Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Lung cancer incidence, and we'll be seeing versus smoking and non-smoking. So we begin with the maximum number of incidence of lung cancer is by the adenocarcinoma. So in the adenocarcinoma, as we know, the smokers, it has the highest incidence. So the majority of them are smokers. And also it includes the non-smokers. So smokers, you can tell anywhere between 60 to 80% will be smokers, and non-smokers will be about 20%. Next is, let's look at the small cell carcinoma. So what is special about small cell carcinoma is that majority, almost all the percent of the small cell carcinoma is by the smokers. So majority is by the smokers, and a small proportion is by the non-smokers. Then we look at the squamous cell carcinoma. When you look at the squamous cell carcinoma as well, so this also amounts to about 80 to 90% of is by the smokers, is occurring in smokers. Whereas in terms of non-smokers, it is minimal. Then the last portion will be the large cell carcinoma. So large cell carcinoma. So in case of large cell carcinoma, there is smokers as well as non-smokers. And here as well, the smokers, it amounts to the major portion compared to that of non-smokers. So smokers, for the incidence of lung cancer, is greater than that of non-smokers. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.